Okay, so I've gotten a lot of questions about living in South Carolina and people just wanting more content about that. So I figured I would do a video on a small vlog about my hometown. So I'm back in my hometown for the weekend and I'm going to show you some things that I do, places that I eat, and just things about Columbia, South Carolina.
Hi, I'm Teryn and welcome back to my channel. If you've been here before, if you're new, I make a lot of skincare focused beauty content as well as fashion and life content. If that interests you, please be sure to check out my other videos, like this video, and subscribe.
So my mom brought me some Chinese food from one of my favorite Chinese restaurants. This is from China Kitchen. I did a TikTok on all the different Chinese restaurants that I live in Columbia, so this is one of them. Okay, so this morning I am at the Columbia Riverfront Park. I come here all the time when I'm in Columbia. It's one of my favorite places, and I'm bringing Maverick as well. So here we go. Oh, it must be an emergency. Not him picking which one he wants.
I was about to say that. Certain water is not worthy.
Like, are you good? So as you can see, I'm really working up a sweat, and I have Maverick with me. He loves a good walk. It's really shaded here with the trees, so it's not as hot. But if you are looking to walk, I would say that this entrance is one of the better ones because it's more shaded. There are plenty of entrances to the Riverfront Water Park or Riverfront Park, but this is one of the ones that's more shaded. So when it's hotter, sunnier, I recommend this one. And there's another one that I recommend in the winter and like colder months because there's more sun on that side. But this is really nice during the spring, summer, going into early fall, just overall hot weather and sunny weather months. So now I'm in Earth Fair, just looking for a parfait or something before I go get lunch. It's a really nice store, but I don't know if I'm gonna find what I'm looking for. So we shall see. I went to Earth Fair to look for a parfait, but I just ended up getting this brown cow yogurt. It's whole milk yogurt. It has a cream top and strawberry on the bottom and had various flavors. I've never tried this before. I'm not into yogurt, but I'm trying to eat more protein. It says our original cream top yogurt is rich and satisfying because we use only whole milk. This brown cow yogurt is sweetened with cane sugar, honey, and maple syrup. It is made without the use of artificial growth hormones, artificial flavors, or artificial sweeteners. So this was $1.09, and you can get 5 of these for $5 was the deal, but I only got one. It's from Stonyfield Farms, if you're familiar. 160 calories, 8% daily value of protein, and I didn't read all this. I just knew I wanted, something light before we go to lunch. But yeah, this is what I ended up getting from Earth Fair. I'm gonna mix it up because I'm not a yogurt fan, but I do love fruits. So I'm gonna get what's on the bottom and mix that in it. It's not bad compared to other yogurts I've had, and this is probably like the closest to like plain yogurt that I've had without like fruit, which says a lot.
It's not bad. I feel like it doesn't have as much as that bitter taste that a lot of yogurts have. I don't know if that's just like Greek yogurt or what, but it's not terrible. I could eat this again, but it wouldn't be like, yeah, I'm craving some yogurt, but I could eat this again and tolerate it.
Okay, so we're at Blue Marlin. Always be sure to ask for the collard greens. They're not on the menu, but if you ask for them, you'll get them and they're so good. And then the bread is also good. The butter. A lot of places don't give free bread anymore, so this is a big deal to us. Okay, so we're trying this calamari for the first time. It's pecan crusted, so we're a little bit on the fence, but we love calamari, so we're gonna see how this goes. So I usually get the shrimp and grits, but I got the oysters today. I'm trying something new. I'm trying not to get the same thing every time I go to a restaurant, so this should be good. I also got this creme brulee cheesecake to go. I've never had it from there before. I've never had creme brulee cheesecake period before, but I'm really excited to try this. That's really good. So I'm headed out of Columbia, and that's the end of this video. This is just a glimpse of a weekend in Columbia, South Carolina. Let me know in the comments what South Carolina related video would you like me to do next. And as always, please remember to like, share, subscribe, and comment for more videos. Thank you again.